Look, Sonny, I have red paint.
Wow, I have yellow paper.
Let's draw with chalk.
I like white chalk.
Can you pass the glue?
Here is the glue.
I want some yarn. It's pink.
I have purple tape.
Blue, red, green, so many colors.
Let's make a rainbow picture.
Paint,
Paint,
paper,
paper,
chalk,
chalk,
yarn,
yarn,
glue,
glue,
tape,
tape,
red,
red,
yellow,
yellow,
blue,
blue,
white,
white,
black,
black,
green,
green,
purple,
purple,
orange,
orange,
pink,
pink,
gray,
gray,
brown,
brown,